Good morning, students. Today we will do the revision of lesson number 1, that is food for plants. Most of the plants are green. They appear green due to the presence of chlorophyll in their leaves. Most of the plants around us are green in color, and they are green because there is chlorophyll present in their leaves. And chlorophyll helps the plant to make their food, and this chlorophyll helps the plant in their food making. That is why only green plants make food. Only green plants make food because for the food making chlorophyll is required, and only green plants have chlorophyll in their leaves. So only green plants make food. Green plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil. Green plants take carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil, and with the help of carbon dioxide and water, leaves make food. In the presence of sunlight, green leaves changes air and water into food. So, air and water is converted into food in the green leaves in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So leaves work as the kitchen for the plant, because leaves are also known as kitchen for the plants, because the food for the plants prepare in their leaves. That is why they are called as kitchen of the plant or food factory of the plant. Now next is parts of a leaf. All leaves have similar parts. The flat part of a leaf is called leaf blade. This flat part is called leaf blade. The leaves have tiny tubes called veins. These tiny tubes are called veins, which bring water and mineral absorbed by the roots to the leaf and also carry back food prepared by it to other parts of the plant. इन वेन्स का ये फंक्शन है कि ये वाटर और मिनरल्स को जो कि रूट एब्जॉर्ब करती हैं उनको लीफ तक पहुंचाती है, एंड ऑल्सो कैरी back food prepared by it to the other parts of the plant. So each leaf usually have one main vein and many side veins. The main vein is also called as midrib. Now you can see here, this part of leaf is called petiole. This part is called petiole. This is the main vein or midrib. Can you see this? This is the main vein, and these are the side veins. All these are the side veins. This part is called leaf blade. This part is called leaf blade, and these are side veins, and this is the midrib, and this is petiole. So these are the parts of a leaf. If you see a section of a leaf under a microscope, you will see that a leaf is made up of small section called cells. Under a microscope, you can see that a leaf is made up of a small section called cells, and these cells contain chlorophyll, which make the leaf green. On the underside of a leaf, there are small openings between the cells. These are called stomata. There are small openings present in this leaf which you can see only under a microscope, and these small openings are called stomata. Now next is function of a leaf. Leaves are important part of plants. They perform the following function. Leaves prepare food for green plants. As you all know that leaves prepare food for green plants, that is why they are called the kitchen of the plant or food factory of plant. The chlorophyll present in the leaves help to trap sunlight. The stomata present in the leaves help to open and close small pores. The chlorophyll present in the leaves help to trap sunlight, and the stomata helps in the exchange of gases. They also help to throw out water produced during making food. They also help out to throw out extra water which is produced during making of food. So the main function of leaves are that leaves prepare food for green plants and they are called kitchen of the plant. And the second is the chlorophyll present in the leaves help to trap sunlight, and the stomata present in leaves help in the exchange of gases. So these are the functions of a leaf. Now the process by which the leaves make their food or prepare their food, the process is known as photosynthesis. So now we will discuss what is photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So photosynthesis is the process by which a plant prepares its food using water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll in the presence of light energy. The process by which the plant prepare their food by using water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll in the presence of light energy. Oxygen is produced as a waste product during this process. In this process, oxygen is produced as a waste product. See, water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight produce sugar, and this sugar is the food for the plant. And in this process, oxygen is produced as a waste product, and this oxygen is used by us because we inhale oxygen which is given by the plants, and we exhale carbon dioxide which these plants consume or inhale. So in this way the process of photosynthesis takes place. The sunlight helps the leaf to remain green. The sunlight helps the leaves to remain green. The sunlight helps the leaf to remain green. This is the reason why leaves turn yellow during winter. So the sunlight helps the leaf to remain green. That is why in winters the leaves turn yellow, because in winters there is the absence of sunlight or there is shortage of sunlight. Some leaves appear to be different because the chlorophyll that was masking different pigments other than green becomes less due to shortage of sunlight. And in winters there is shortage of chlorophyll because there is shortage of sunlight. That is why the leaves turn yellow or the leaves appear to be of different colors. Now the next is, how do plants use food? Plants prepare food by photosynthesis. The food produced by plants is in the form of sugar. The food which is prepared by plants is sugar. Leaves prepared sugar as food for plants. Plants use this sugar to perform the following function, and this sugar perform following functions. What are these? The plants uses this sugar to grow and live. The plants uses this sugar to grow and live. As we need food to live, in the similar manner the plants also use food to live. The extra sugar produced is changed to starch and stored in different parts of the plant, such as in roots, stems, leaves, fruits, or sometimes in flowers. The leaves produced sugar as food for plants, but extra sugar is changed into starch and stored in different parts of the plant, such as in roots, stems, leaves, fruits, or sometimes in flowers. That is why they become sweet. The fruits, vegetables, nuts and grains like rice and wheat that we eat all contains the food prepared by plants. The fruit, vegetable, nuts, grains all contains the food prepared by plants. Now we will do some exercises. First exercise is true false. Leaf is called kitchen of plant. Is it true or false? Yes, because leaves make food for the plant, so it is true. Next is, Photosynthesis is the process of making food. Yes, the process of making food for the plants is known as photosynthesis. So this is also true. Next is chlorophyll makes the leaves red. Chlorophyll is a pigment which makes the leaves green. So chlorophyll does not make the leaves red. So this is false. Stem prepares food for green plants. No. For green plants, leaves prepare food. So this is false. Photo means light. Yes, photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So this is true. Next, Phillips. Dash prepare food for green plants. Leaves. Leaves prepare food for green plants. Dash is produced as a waste product in photosynthesis. So oxygen gas is produced as waste product, and this oxygen gas is utilized by human beings because we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. Next is synthesis means. Synthesis means putting together. Next, the flat part of leaf is called leaf blade. The leaves have tiny tubes present in leaves are called veins. So the answer is veins. Now I hope you have understood this topic very well. Thank you and see you in the next video.